Welcome, everyone. Welcome to all the new subscribers. And thank you to everyone that comes here and supports this channel and supports everybody in this community. Goats, thanks, buddy. Appreciate it, man. Goats from Goats Firewood and Farms. Go check out his channel. Goats sent me a drone. Yeah, a drone. So I'm in the process of a few things with the drone. I want to put some footage up from it, but as far as the legality or whatever you want to call it, the guidelines as far as drone footage goes on YouTube channels, it becomes commercial. No matter what size your drone is, if it's going to help your channel, it goes to a different level. It goes, you have to license, you have to get a license. Not so much that you don't have to have a license to fly this drone that I have. It's a B-Wine F7 Mini, and it's under the weight regulations to where you don't have to register it. But if I want to use the footage on my YouTube channel, monetized or not, if it's going to better the channel, you have to get a license. Like I said, not so much to fly the drone, but to use the footage. I have to have a license to use the footage because it's commercial. It's a tangled web of things that I don't really understand. I'm not real sure. All I know is that's the rules. So I won't put any drone footage up on my channel. I might put some up on Instagram or something like that because I'm not monetized there, and it's not for commercial purposes. It's none of that. So anyway, I have this drone. I have the drone, and it has taken a few. Yeah, I've crashed it, and it decided to take off on its own a couple times. And the last time that it took off on its own, it went well over an eighth of a mile. Well over an eighth of a mile. Wide open. Just wobble, wobble. Whew, see? And it crashed. And then I tried to, I shut everything off, and I recalibrated everything, did everything, and then I got it fired up, and the right front motor stopped working. So I ordered a new motor, and that's what I did. That's what I'm out here doing on the bench tonight. Is I've torn this drone apart. I've ordered a new arm and a new motor. So, and it's soldered. It's soldered, and I'm not real great at soldering. So when I get the new motor and the new arm, it'll be a follow-up to this. Might be just a short whatever, that whether it worked or not. So yeah, so that's what I got going on. And I want to thank everybody that put in and helped TazMan-Palooza happen. And that's going to be a non-stop thing this year, is to make it happen in 2024. So we've got a year. We've got a year to prepare for TazMan-Palooza 2024. I'm not sure what we're gonna have, if we're gonna have fundraisers again. I don't have any idea. I'm sure there'll be something, but there's always the donate or the PayPal link is in my about section if you so choose to want to donate to the cause of making it happen again. Everybody that showed up this year was very, very helpful in every aspect, as far as cooking, getting food together, just the whole thing. It worked out so well. Everybody worked so well together, and there was no, the friction wasn't there. It was just a peaceful time to hang out and meet people face to face, shake hands, give hugs, and show everyone else out there that there are real people still in this world. There are people, genuine people that care for one another. It's awesome. Really awesome. Been busy. Softball. It's the end of softball season, and we got graduation coming up for my middle daughter, Bailey. Rockstar kid. All my kids are awesome. I love them, and I want to support them in everything that they do in life. So we've been busy. The footage is all over the place, I know, but I just wanted to throw this video out and touch base with everybody, and we'll get back on track. Firewood season's here. Got some footage coming up for that. Got the grinding going on. We got the drone going on. and I am possibly going to pursue the license part of it. I've got some books. I got to do some studying. It's $175 for the course, just to go take the test. I know there's courses out there that people put out that you can pay $150 or $200, and they guarantee that you pass it the first time and this and that. But it's all kinds of aviation questions and stuff like that, like I said. And yeah. Anyway, I just wanted to touch base with everybody, and I wanted to thank everybody again for all the help, for everything, not just Tazapalooza. The banner made it to Goats Firewood Farms. He got the banner. So I hope you're liking that, Goats. We figured if you couldn't make it, we'd send a little bit to you. Phenom, I love you, brother. I do. I appreciate you, man. A lot of people behind the scenes. A lot of people choose to be anonymous, and I have to grant that, and I have to appreciate that. I do, and I do, and I want to continue to honor the people that help from behind the scenes, that don't want to be put out there or anything like that. So thank you all for that. I appreciate every bit of it. The comments, the personal messages, the emails, all of it. It all helps continue to drive this channel. And it's what drives this community, and it's what makes this community what it is. So on that note, thanks everybody. Thanks for hanging out with me in the saw shack, working on a drone. Just hanging out. More footage to come. More on the square grind. The square grind is fun. Go check it out. Square Cutter is a YouTube channel. And if you want to see the product, go to squarejig.com. All right, everybody. We love you all. Take care. Be safe. Tasman is rolling. Or flying. Be kind.